Welcome to the Drop Shop Garage. Today, guys, we're going to be talking about pliers, different kinds of pliers, and what you can use them for. The first one we're going to talk about is just a plain Jane pair of pliers. These you can use for pretty much anything, like just holding a little nut to tighten it, or tightening a bolt, any kind of thing for a little small project. You would use a regular set of pliers. And the reason they come with a plastic handle, it's for two reasons. One reason is so that it's more comfortable on your hand, and then another reason is that if you are actually working with some electrical, it'll sort of protect you so you won't get shocked. Not 100%, but it'll at least help. These are more heavy duty ones. You can see that they're a lot bigger, a lot stronger. You can use these for the same stuff, like tightening things, loosening things. And then this little part right here, guys, is so that you can cut wires with it. So if you need to cut like a wire, or like actually cut a small nail, you can cut right through that sucker. Then you work your way to a bigger pair. These are called channel locks. Channel locks are more for like plumbing, when you get into big giant bolts. See if I can do it with one hand. But you can adjust it so that you can tighten something huge like this, guys. This is like about a 2-inch something that you need to be working on, like toilets or sinks or something like that. Something really big. And then you can also use them for small. There you go, make them for small. But these you can't cut wires with or anything like that. These are just straight up for tightening and loosening big things. And then the last pair is called vice grips. I'm sure you guys have all heard of these. Vice grips have a little thing right here that you can tighten it so that you can clamp onto something, squeeze it, and then it like is really on there tight, so you can tighten it, loosen it if you needed to just hold something together. That's why a lot of mechanics use these vice grips, because they can work like sort of as a plier and sort of as a wrench. You can use them for like a few different things. So back to a recap. This is just your standard pliers. Then if you need something a little bit more heavy duty, you can use these. And remember, with these you can cut wires and maybe like small nails. Then if you need bigger things, these are mostly for plumbing, but you can use these channel locks and then vice grips. Vice grips are like pliers and a wrench all in one. So I hope you guys kind of learned something, and please like and subscribe, and have a great day, guys. I'll see you in a few.